It's that little blue and yellow can you've seen 1,000 times at every auto parts store. Costs less than lunch. Smells like fix anything. And most people think it's just for squeaky hinges. But here's the truth. WD-40 can quietly prevent thousands of dollars in car repairs. If you know when, where, and how to use it. Use it wrong, though, you're not fixing problems. You're creating new ones. Ones that come with 3-digit labor bills and 4-week waits for parts. Today, we're going through 15 real WD-40 hacks smart drivers actually use. These tips prevent rust, fix small electrical problems, silence those annoying squeaks, and can even save an engine after a flood. Stick with me until the end. I'll also show you the one place WD-40 should never go, and which version of WD-40 most people ignore, but mechanics secretly swear by. Step 1. Diagnose vacuum leaks the easy way. Rough idle? Check engine light for no reason? Could be a vacuum leak. One of the most overlooked causes of poor fuel economy and bad performance. With the engine running, spray WD-40 lightly around vacuum hoses and connections. If the idle suddenly changes, you just found your leak. It's safer than carb cleaner, less of fire risk, and can save you a $150 diagnostic bill. Step 2. Protect electrical connectors. Moisture creeping into electrical connectors can fry sensors, cause misfires, or even kill your ECU, a $700 nightmare. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on clean, powered-off connectors, especially in the hood or wheel wells. Want extra protection? Use WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. It evaporates fast, leaves no residue, and keeps your wiring harness safe for years. Step 3. Save your weather stripping. Frozen doors, cracked seals, they let water in, and that water can destroy carpets, fry electronics, or rot your floors. Repairs easily hit $2,000 plus. The fix, WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray. Unlike the regular formula, it's safe for rubber. Spray your door, trunk, and sunroof seals every few months. Wipe off the extra. Quiet cabin, dry floors, problem solved. Step 4. Remove tree sap without ruining paint. Tree sap eats through clear coat like acid. Spray WD-40 on the spot. Let it sit a minute, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. Wash and wax afterward to restore protection. Skip this and you might be looking at a $500 polishing job or a $2,000 repaint. Step 5. Refresh your license plate. Faded, rusty plates can even get you ticketed in some states. Take the plate off, wash it, dry it, then hit it with WD-40. It lifts dirt, grease, and rust, making it look nearly new. No sanding, no repainting. Step 6. Loosen rusted bolts without breaking them. Snapping a bolt can turn a $50 repair into a $300 headache. Use WD-40 Specialist Penetrant. Spray it into the threads, wait a few minutes, and the rust breaks free. No torch, no hammer, just relief. Step 7. Clean and shine chrome. Spray wipe done. For tougher spots, use WD-40 with fine 000 steel wool. Safe on chrome. Remove surface rust. Leaves a protective layer behind. Cheaper than polishing compounds and takes minutes, not hours. Step 8. Rescue a flooded engine after a deep puddle or engine bay wash. If your car won't start, moisture might be the culprit. Spray WD-40 on your distributor cap, coil packs, spark plug wires, anywhere water may have crept in. It displaces the moisture and gets you back on the road. Step 9. Don't use WD-40 on scratches. Yes, it makes scratches disappear for a second, but it's just an oily illusion. It attracts dirt, dulls your paint, and can cost hundreds to fix later. Use a proper scratch remover instead. Step 10. Never put WD-40 inside your engine. Some people actually add it to oil or fuel. Don't. It's not an engine lubricant. It's a solvent. It evaporates, offers zero thermal protection, and can cause catastrophic engine damage, costing $3,000 to $10,000. Step 11. Never spray your brakes. WD-40 is slippery. Your brakes rely on friction. Spray it there, and you risk losing stopping power. Or worse, total brake failure. If you need to clean brakes, use a proper brake cleaner. Step 12. Prevent battery terminal corrosion. White crust on your battery posts. Clean it off, dry everything, then spray WD-40 before reconnecting. It stops corrosion, improves starting, and can add years to your battery life. Step 13. Stop squeaky windows and seat belts. Use the silicone spray version on seat belt tracks and window channels, not the belts themselves. It reduces friction, prevents wear, and saves your window motors $200 to $500 from burning out. Step 14. Keep door hinges healthy. Squeaky stiff doors? Spray hinge pivot points. Open and close the door a few times, then wipe away excess. Do this a few times a year to avoid a $400 hinge replacement. Step 15. Protect your wiper blades. Dry. Cracking wiper scratch glass. Replacements cost $300 to $1,000. Clean the blades. Spray them with silicone WD-40. Wipe the excess, and they'll last longer and work smoother. The bottom line, the right WD-40 product in the right place can save you thousands. Regular formula for general use. Silicone spray for rubber, penetrant for rusted bolts, contact cleaner for electronics. But remember, never on brakes, never inside your engine, never as a paint fix. What's the smartest way you've used WD-40? Comment below. We might feature your tip next. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Up next, 15 shady tricks some mechanics use and how to spot them before they drain your wallet.